Hello and welcome to NeoEnglish, your daily podcast for learning practical English with the news.
Today, our story is all about a new video game called Saturday AM Battle Manga. It's a 2 versus 2 tag team fighting game. That's a lot of fun words to learn.
Yes, you will not only learn new English words today, but also how to use them when talking about games, news, or even with your friends.
Let's start by breaking down the first part. The news says Sun Studios have announced Saturday AM Battle Manga. Announced means to tell people about something new or important.
For example, the teacher announced the test date, or they announced the winner of the contest. Whenever someone shares news with everyone, they announce it.
Great. Next, Saturday AM Battle Manga is the name of the new game. Battle means fight or compete. Manga are Japanese comic books or graphic novels.
So when you hear battle manga, think of a story or a game with a lot of action or competition, just like a comic book. Let's practice. I read a battle manga last night. Or, my brother likes battle manga stories.
Perfect. Now it says Saturday AM Battle Manga is a 2 versus 2 tag team fighting game. 2 versus 2 means 2 players against 2 other players.
It's like saying my friend and I played basketball 2 versus 2. Or, we had a 2 versus 2 video game match last night. You and your friend are a team, and you play against another team.
Right. And tag team means you can switch or tag your teammate while you play. Imagine wrestling. One person fights, then tags their friend to join.
For example, let's play tag team chess. You play half, and I'll play the rest. Or in wrestling, a tag team lets 2 people take turns against the other pair.
The game is made by Sun Studios, who also created Netcode Warriors, another anime-inspired arena fighting game. Anime-inspired means the art and story look like Japanese cartoons.
If you like anime, you might like these games. Arena is a place where people fight or compete, often in sports or games. The championship was played in a big arena. Or, we watched a concert at the arena.
Now, let's recap what we learned today. Here are some new words and phrases.
Announced, to tell news. Example, my friend announced his birthday party.
Battle, a fight or competition. He won the battle. Or the teams had a soccer battle.
Manga, Japanese comics. I read manga every weekend. Or, this manga has great stories.
2 versus 2. 2 people against 2 people. We played 2 versus 2 soccer. Or, the gaming tournament was 2 versus 2.
Tag team, switching teammates. We are a tag team in the cooking contest. Or, wrestlers have a tag team match.
Anime inspired. Looks like anime. Her drawing is anime inspired. Or this show is anime inspired.
Arena, a place for competition. They met in the boxing arena. Or fans cheered in the arena.
Now the story. Sun Studios announced a new game, Saturday AM Battle Manga. It's a 2 versus 2 tag team fighting game, inspired by anime and manga, where you and a friend can play against another team. You can switch with your teammate, just like in tag team wrestling.
To make it simple, imagine you and your friend are heroes in a comic book, fighting another team. You can jump in and out to help each other, and everything looks like cool Japanese animation. That's Saturday AM Battle Manga.
Try using today's words when you talk about games, sports, or stories.
Thanks for joining us on NeoEnglish. We bring you new news and English lessons every day.
If you want to keep learning English with the latest news, subscribe so you never miss an episode.
Have a wonderful day and see you tomorrow.